In this video, you will learn how to navigate your way through our Schoology course. This is an example of what one of the math course looks like. Notice there are unit folders and module folders that describe what to do in each class. There's also a calendar that will keep you up to date with everything that is going on. If you click on the calendar, it will open up to a monthly view. I try to keep everything updated for the entire month of what we have going on, both in the building and in the classroom. If you click on the assignment for the day, it will open up to a detailed description of what you are expected to have completed for the day. You should go through and complete everything on the list to stay on pace with the class. If you're ever out sick, this is your place to check and see what you missed and what you need to do for makeup work. All of our work is loaded within folders. We use the white folders to store the entire module in one place. You can click on the arrow and it will expand the folder so you can see what is in it, but it is better to actually click on the blue lettering of the words to open the folder so that it records that you went in and you get credit for being in Schoology in the course for the day. When you click inside one of our white folders, it breaks the module down into the individual lessons. Each lesson has assignments within it. Again, you can either click on the triangle to expand and see, or the better option is to click on the actual blue lettering of the label to open up the folder. When you open up the folder, you will see the listing of all of our assignments. All of the assignments start with a video. The video corresponds with our notes page. You should watch the video one time just to get an understanding of the topic and listen closely to what you are learning. Then watch the video a second time, pausing as needed to record your notes. After your notes are finished, you can then open up the first assignment. Many of the assignments are within PowerPoints that allow you to drag and drop or fill in text boxes. PowerPoint also allows you to write within the assignments. When you click on the assignment, it will open up and say Assignment My Document and tell you what the assignment is. Click on the My Document to get access to the assignment. Then you'll click on the word Edit to actually open the assignment. The PowerPoint will open, complete all the slides within the PowerPoint, and then close the PowerPoint. It's very important that you close the PowerPoint before submitting because this makes sure your final answers are saved on the PowerPoint. After it is closed, then you will click Submit Assignment and it's been turned into me to grade. Once you complete assignments, you will receive green check marks to show that it has been turned in. This does not mean that you are done with the assignment, but this just means it's been turned in for the first review. The next assignment in the list will not open until your previous assignment has been submitted. Exit tickets, you must score an 8 out of 10 to pass the exit ticket. You will get 3 attempts on every exit ticket before you are required to meet with me so we can review the skills and see where we need to practice more. Once every assignment within a lesson is finished, the lesson also receives a green check mark and the next folder will open. You also have a way to check your grades in Schoology. Grades are located on the far left side. When you click on the grades, it opens up every assignment that you have received. It's important to note there's different keys within this assignments list. When you first turn in an assignment before it is graded, it will just have that little blue box showing that something has been turned in, and the blank line means it still needs to be graded. Once an assignment is graded, you will have a score recorded in the points you earned out of how many were possible. If you did not receive a perfect score on the assignment is unsubmitted and the blue box will disappear. This means that it is available for you to revise and resubmit based on the feedback. Feedback is always given on the right-hand side, and it'll tell you what you did wrong, it'll give you hints of how to fix it, or it'll give you a website to go to help you practice more. It is strongly encouraged to revise all assignments and resubmit to get the best grades possible and ensure that you truly understand the assignments.